What's up, guys? The Rat219 here, and if you're wondering why I'm excited, because today we have the awesomest toy ever. What everybody in this channel, even me, has probably been waiting for. Today we have master of our toys, guys. Today we have what you all been waiting for. Anyway, but in today's video, guys, today we have one of the most annoying toys that exist out there. Okay, I'm going to Toys R Us right now. And I'll be back in like an hour. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. I have a win this day. For a long time, Furby. What am I doing with my life? Furby, the most annoying toy you could buy. My opinion, okay? I don't know if it is. Furby, guys! Vote for Furby! Okay, I think I'm gonna fucking break it, so I'm gonna probably like fucking stop. I don't want to break it. This is the actual Furby color, so yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's so soft. Oh my god, why is that so soft? Okay, I'll stop. What everybody's been waiting for. Even me! Okay, let's see what this Furby could do. Furby Connect. Furby connects to a world of surprises. We'll see if it's actually surprises. It says right here, Bluetooth Smart. Furby Connect. Furby connects with you through 150 plus colorful eye animations. Sleep mask included. Put it on to make Furby, oh, thank God. Now they have a sleeping mask, so now we don't have to hear the damn thing all day. Alright, so here it says, connect to the app and discover surprises together. Look, new videos. Great. This is associated with an app. I hate my life. Check it out. Check out what I just learned. And it says, meow. Furbies are not cats, okay? Here it says, Furby hatches Furblings with you here. Furby gets food from you here. Furby watches videos of you here. Furby poop surprises. What the fuck? It's a giant fucking toilet. Alright, so we're gonna be opening this thing right now. I need to go grab my scissors, and I need to grab batteries, of course. My screwdriver's on there. Hold on, guys. Okay, for real, stop. We're gonna be opening this thing. I don't have a knife, so I'm just gonna use a screwdriver. There's like a little small line of tape, so. Oh shit! It opened. Wow! Holy shit! This thing's cool. It looks kind of creepy too. Okay, I'm gonna get it out of the box right now. So yeah, I'll be with you when I get it out of the box. So here we have him out of the box. Oh, there's a fucking sleeping mask. Does it actually work on humans? Okay, it works! Okay, I thought I had a prank for a second. Here's a Furby. Are you ready to die, Furby? Alright, so, I still haven't put batteries in this motherfucker. I decided to close it back because, you know, if I just put the batteries in instantly, it would start making noises. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the batteries here. I have the screwdriver. I got some batteries. There's 4 AA batteries, but I only have 2 right now. I'm gonna go get the other 2 right now. Hold on, let me open his ass first. Let me install the batteries. Hurry up and open! Yeah, I know his angle looks like I'm literally like about to fucking shove this freaking screwdriver in his ass. I'm just trying to get the battery pack out, okay? Don't be a supportive freak. Did I get it? No, I still need a little bit more. I never expected a Furby to be this heavy. Now could you get out? Okay, there you go. So I'm going to install some batteries. I'll be back with the batteries. Hold on. There's one there. One there. You'll be okay, mannequin. Alright, here we have 4 batteries now. As you can see, 4 batteries. So we're going to install them in this motherfucker right now. We're going to put the sleep mask in him just because, you know, I don't want him to wake up while I'm doing this shit. Just in case he actually does. So I'm gonna put the sleep mask in him. Put it in him before I actually put the batteries in him. Here we go. I have Furby McFurberson. Hashtag yeah. Oh my god, there's hair everywhere. Where the hell is that hair coming from? The Furby? I never knew Furbies let hair out so quickly. Like, it's very... This motherfucker's hair is sensitive as shit. Now it's gonna look like I'm fucking shoving something in his ass again. Okay, you gotta really stop thinking that I'm shoving something in his ass. I'm just trying to get the battery pack closed and now. Open first and now closed. You gotta be fucking kidding me. If this motherfucker wakes up even with the sleeping mask, holy fuck, I'm gonna be fucking terrorized. Holy shit, if this guy has facial recognition technology, I'm gonna be talking to a fucking toy. And I've never talked to a literal toy before. Let's be honest right now. We're gonna open this motherfucker's goggles right now. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh, there you are. Hello, Utai.
What?
Hello, Nava. Good night, Bestie.
I never knew this motherfucker slept without the sleeping mask. Hello? We're trying to get you on camera. Could you get woken? Alright, so this guy, as you can see, I got the batteries on him. Let's hope that he isn't too annoying. Hey, Furby. Say hi to the camera, Furby. I never knew this guy talked a lot. Furby?
No. Wait, yes, wait. No?
Oh my god.
That's what Todd's saying.
What?
Oh my god.
This guy talks like a fucking...
When I wake the cowway, you'll fight.
He looks like an exorcist.
Okay.
He literally looks like an exorcist. Look at him.
Oh, Dino, check out Tom moves. Hey.
Alright, so right here is the... This is the sleeping mask. I'm gonna put him to sleep so I could fuck...
No, the beaver, catch it.
Okay, can you shut up, Furby? I want to be your friend, but could you please shut up, Furby? Could you please shut up, Furby?
What?
Okay, I'm gonna put just... Okay. Go to sleep.
I'll be back.
Okay, now that he's asleep, this guy's associated with the app. If you guys want to see a full gameplay of this app, I don't even know how to say it. If you want to see a full gameplay, make sure to get this video to 5 likes. 5 likes. That's all you need to get me to, and then we could play the game. I don't want to play the fucking game. Yeah, this guy is just fucking, I don't know. He literally looks like an exorcist, dude. Moving around like, ah! We're gonna wake him up again. Okay, who the hell is Unai? Furby, do you know who Unai is?
Oh yeah? That's so crazy!
Do you know who Unai is?
My dick fell off!
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to sing an outro here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Hold me, baby.
Can you even?
When you're not.
Wait a minute. That's how you feed him? I like this toy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you get this video to 5 likes, I'm gonna be playing that app, okay?